Welcome to Share Talk, the only podcast where investors come first.
Hi, this is Zach Meir with the Bulletin Board Heroes here on Share Talk and sponsored by the UK Investor Show for Thursday the 12th of March. Understandably short edition given the turmoil last night caused by the flight ban between the US and Europe, or most of Europe. Here today we start off with Biotrol. Rising trend channel here after the golden cross that we saw at the end of last month. The view at this stage is that at least while we're above the support line there of the channel at around the 3.2 pence level, the upside here towards 4.5 or even 5 pence over the next few weeks. This stage, that looks to be the top of the range, the 4.5 to 5 pence area, but obviously it is a very strong looking chart with the golden cross that we've had recently. On to the only significant bright spark as far as the UK small cap area is concerned. We've got Novacyt here bouncing off this uptrend line from the end of January yet again. Did that yesterday as well, down towards 97 pence, and then today around 103 pence. Still got this line of resistance from February running at around the 140 level, so end of day close above that is really needed to unlock the next big move or potential big move for the shares to hit £2.50. Obviously plenty of people on Twitter and elsewhere trying to call this up many times the current share price, but 140 the trigger level there, and ideally we don't really settle below £1 in the meantime while we take up the slack of the recent gains that the shares have made. Stock which I have managed to avoid in the recent past, but it is one that's looking rather strong on a very weak day for the market. Synergen. Here you can see that shares making three steps forward, 2 steps back progress in terms of the recent rally from the end of January. The gap higher there through the 200-day moving average. We've also had a golden cross buy signal between the 50 and 200-day moving averages to start March, and really while we're above the 20-21 pence level, looking for 35 pence at the top of a wide rising trend channel from the end of 2017. The joker in the pack today is Victoria Oil and Gas, which again probably normally wouldn't make the grade, but today at least has the possibility of being a potential recovery situation. I'd like to see an end of day or an end of week close back above 4 pence for the stock. We've broken this resistance line at the top of the falling wedge from February around 3.8 pence, but really need to see 4 pence broken on a sustained basis to call the stock up towards last month's resistance up to the 5.8 or 6 pence area. But obviously in this kind of market, one would take any bullish setup with a pinch of salt. That's it from me today. More updates tomorrow.
Thank you for listening. Remember to visit our website for more news and other podcasts at www.share-talk.com.